Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been such an amazing time lately. I'd also like to share some live updates with you guys, what I've been up to lately and how it has been so far. Honestly, I'm very grateful to God. Looking back, I'm reflecting and I'm seeing how much I've grown. And sometimes when I think about these things, it brings me to tears. It's just amazing how God has been faithful. And sometimes we look at our life, might look like some things are not working the way we want them to work. But if we reflect deeply, we would see that God has indeed really been faithful. It's been really intentional about my life, and I do not take it for granted. The past year has taught me that everyone is the same. When you clock a new age, you begin to see that life is really not as hard as it is. Sometimes we make life hard ourselves. And one thing I've come to realize is that some things that we take so hard in life should not be difficult. There should not be any point in holding grudge. There should not be a point in comparing yourself. We have like different journeys, different paths, different experiences in life. And there's that temptation to look at social media, see that other people are doing well, and begin to compare ourselves. So is when you start to compare yourself with someone, the next thing you realize is that you begin to envy them. And from them, you get very bitter. They post a picture and you are angry. You can't even wish them happy birthday because you are angry at their success, forgetting that they had their own journey. I was watching something on Instagram yesterday and the reel just popped up. And it was about a lady saying that people would see the very happy side of her, but they did not see when she was struggling. She mentioned something about, people would see her now living in a mansion, but they never saw when she was, struggling and living on the streets, that people would see her now having like, the dream job, having a dream job, but they never saw her when she was struggling to, feed, but they never saw her when she was in a job that she didn't like. The picture that you see out there is the perfect life. If you now begin to compare yourself, forgetting that this person has gone through your current process, right, you're going to just put yourself in a state of unhappiness and make life very hard and terrible for yourself. If you don't appreciate your current state, you will never be able to see the good thing that is happening to you, because your current state is actually somebody else's prayer point. They want to be where you are. Another reflection about over the week is, grudges is not actually it's not worth it. Like, why should I hold a grudge? I feel like I'm getting to a stage where I'm growing up, like I'm becoming an adult, and if I think the relationship is very important for me and you're a very important person to me, I will communicate how I feel about what situation or whatever happened between us, instead of holding grudges and keeping malice. Best thing I would do is probably give you an excuse for your behavior. So I'll probably just see life through your lens and give you an excuse for the attitude that you've put up. I could probably just say maybe you're not in the mood that day, or maybe something happened to you. Even if nothing happened to you, I just feel like it's best for my peace, right, to give you an excuse for your behavior. So that's something I've decided to do, to give people, to extend grace to people as much as I extend grace to myself. This year I feel like a very serious birthday year for me, so there's going to be a whole lot happening with me. I'm going to embark on personal growth. It's not like I've not been doing that in the past, but I haven't really been so accountable. I know we say everything is vanity, and eventually you begin to see life with a different lens. Like, everyone is equal. You get to a certain age and you begin to see that people are actually the same, regardless of their race, their religion, their status in the society, regardless of whatever thing they have. We are all the same, we're equal. And whether the person is a waiter, whether the person is a CEO, we are all eventually going to return to dust, right? And for believers, we have the Zoe life. If we have a loved one that's probably late, they've passed on, they've gone to be with the Lord, there is that reassurance for believers that we're going to see them again. We're going to see them when we go to be with the Lord. So we do not mourn like the world mourn. And I just want to use this opportunity to say that if you've not given your life to Christ, it's a decision you honestly need to, take. This life is just the way the life is, and it can be interesting sometimes, but there will be storms, there will be challenges, there will be trials, things would happen in life. But there's that assurance that we have as believers, right, that Jesus would see us through it, and then the Holy Spirit is there regardless of situations we find ourselves. And best of it all is that we've been given the life of Christ. And at the end of the day, when we go through whatever it is that we go through, spending the rest of our life with Christ. So yeah, I got some gifts before I continue to ramble and reflect over you guys' face. I got some gifts, and here I'm going to be unboxing here with you guys. And the first one is a purse, and I think it's actually customized. I don't know if you can see it. I would open it. I'm very, very excited. So, of the allure. Oh my god. I don't know if it's a purse or if it's a jewelry box. So it's not really like a purse. Ignore me. But it's a jewelry box with my name written on it. Got my name on it. So what it looks like inside. Customized. Don't play. Do not play. So the second one I got set of earrings. I'm going to open this one so you guys will see it, and I'm going to actually launch this jewelry box. Look at how beautiful this are. I don't know if you can see it properly. It's actually very beautiful. Then let's go to the next one. Another earring. Spoil me. I've been spoiled. I've been spoiled. I like it. So yeah, you guys see, this is so cute. I'm not putting on the earring now. Ooh, look at it. It's super cute. Oh my god. Look at. Let me be careful with them. And then let's see what's here. Oh god. my face is on it, you guys. I know this has to be the work of my sister. It's actually my sister. Let's not even say anything. And then there's drive safe on it. But look at it, so cute with my face. And then she used one of my interesting pictures on it. Customized. This is amazing. I love it. I love it. I mean, she could have used a final picture, but siblings will be siblings. Look at what she did for. I can't. This girl. Oh, I got bags. Brown. I'll add it to my Ted Baker's bag set. Yep, I got a Ted Baker bag. And then there is another bag here. Honestly, I feel very spoiled, you guys. Very, very spoiled, but I love it. I love it. Oh my god. See, another bag. Another book. I've cried. I'm very dramatic. Okay. Oh, there are more inside though, you guys, but I'm not done. I don't know. I think it's a necklace. So we're going to have them open. Ooh. Oof. See, really, really beautiful. Oops, I think it's true. I should not misplace this thing. No, alright. There is hand chain. I can even turn this to leg chain. I don't know, but there is like hand chain. It's very small for my hand, and there is this beads here. So yeah, that's everything. I honestly feel so loved, grateful. I don't know how many times I've said that, but I actually feel very grateful. Thank you to everyone that made my day. God bless you. God bless you from the bottom of my heart. To the live updates, the next videos that you'll be coming across on my channel will be relationship content. So yeah, watch out for those contents. And please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends, your family. Leave a comment. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.